Hi friends, and welcome back to another lesson with me. So previously we were talking about proper nouns and common nouns. Do you remember what I said a proper and a common noun is? So a common noun names general people, places, things, or ideas, whereas a proper noun names specific places, people, and things. Proper nouns always have capital letters, always have capital letters, and common nouns don't have capital letters unless they are words that are starting a sentence. Now, with that being said, I have 8 words over here, and we're gonna divide these 8 words into common nouns and proper nouns. Are you ready? Let's get started. So, our first word is boy. Do you think boy is a common noun, or do you think boy is a proper noun? That's right, boy is a common noun. Second one, Elm Street. Do you think Elm Street is a common noun or a proper noun? It's a proper noun. Why? As you can see, there's a capital, which automatically indicates it is a proper noun. But the mere fact that it's the name of a street also makes it a proper noun because it is a specific name. So we're gonna add that here. Awesome. Number 3 is street. Do you think street is a common noun or a proper noun? That's right, street is a common noun. It is a general name of something, which makes it a common noun. Number 4, Tuesday. Is Tuesday a common noun or is it a proper noun? That's right, Tuesday is a proper noun. It is a specific name of a specific day of a week, and it has a capital letter. So that's our hint. Number 5, Cape Town. Is Cape Town a common noun or a proper noun? The real question is Cape Town a specific name of something or a general name of something? That's right, Cape Town is a proper noun because it is the name of a specific place and it is in capital letters. Number 6, Jacob. Is Jacob a common noun, a general name of something, or a proper noun, a specific name of something? That's right, Jacob is a proper noun because it is a specific name of someone. Jacob. Next one, day. Is day a common noun or a proper noun? Is it the specific name of something or is it a general name of something? That's right, day is a common noun. And last but not least, city. Is city a general name of something or a specific name of something? A common noun or a proper noun? That's right, city is a common noun. So, let's go over our common nouns. Boy, street, day, and city. All of these are general names of things, places, and people. Whereas with these, they are all specific names of things, people, or places. Awesome, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this exercise with common and proper nouns. See you guys again next time. Bye.